Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce analytics expenses with SEMrush step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SEMrush account. If you don't have an account, visit the SEMrush website and sign up for a trial. Navigate to the dashboard to explore your options. Click on the Projects tab to set up a new project. Enter your website URL and give your project a unique name. After creating your project, you'll see various tools available for analysis. Focus on the Traffic Analytics feature to evaluate your competition. This tool provides insights into your competitors' traffic sources and volumes. Analyze their strategies to identify areas where you can cut costs. Next, leverage the Keyword Research tool to find high-performing keywords. Use the Keyword Magic tool to discover relevant keywords to target. Prioritize keywords with high search volume and low competition. This will help you maximize your organic reach without hefty ad expenses. Now, move to the Site Audit section to assess your website's health. Identify any issues that could be hindering your SEO performance. Fixing these issues can enhance your ranking and reduce the need for paid ads. Utilize the On-Page SEO Checker for tailored suggestions on improving your pages. Optimize your content based on the recommendations provided. Next, explore the Backlink Analytics feature. Assess your current backlink profile and identify opportunities for improvement. Reach out to relevant sites for guest post opportunities to boost your backlinks organically. Consider using the Social Media Tracker to analyze your social performance. Engaging with your audience can drive traffic without additional costs. Finally, continuously monitor your analytics using SEMrush's comprehensive reporting tools. Regularly review your performance metrics to stay on track. By applying these strategies, you'll effectively reduce your analytics expenses over time. Consistency is crucial, so make it a habit to review and adjust your approach as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.